guys! It's me again, Esang, and for today's video, it's all about Agency Connect or exclusive offline engagement with fellow agency managers. At isa tayo sa maswerteng naimbitahan ni Bigo para umattend ng exclusive event na ito. We got invited because of our good performance for second quarter. This is actually our first time to join and I'm really happy about it dahil may opportunity na naman na matuto ng mga bagong kaalaman. Tara at sumahan nyo kami! Check out this amazing weather. Nakisama talaga siya sa lakad namin today. In the past few days kasi diba, sobrang ulan. Hope you're getting some sunshine wherever you are. Finally, we're here! Safe and sound! I'm here with one of my BFFs na isa din sa mga agency manager na umattend ng event. At syempre, basta Bigo, may pa-freebie! Bigyan ko lang kayo ng idea about this cute freebie. This is called Bigo Dino Stop Toy. Actually, this is rare kasi you can purchase this sa marketplace, shopping applications, or more, etc. Tanging sa Bigo lang ito makukuha. Hindi din basta-basta ha. Pero may chance lahat ng users or viewers at hosts makakuha. Kaya mas rare pa to sa Labubu. Charot! This Agency Connect pala, ang primary goal is to connect with other agency managers and also to align us on what really happening on the app itself. Kaya hindi talaga ako nagkamali sa pagpili ng application na ito dahil never ka talagang pababayaan. I've been in Bigo nga pala since 2019 pa. Grabe ah, dito na ako tatanda. So, hanggang dito na lang muna tayo. Kaya kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng pagkakakitaan at the comfort of your home, gusto mo ba ng big opportunity? Andito lang yan sa Bigo. Kaya message us for more details.